Hey guys, it's Paulo Haddad here, and in this video we are going to finish the description of the summary. Let's go to the computer. In the last video we described those guys up here, so those guys. And in this video what we are going to do is basically go over those circuit summary. So let me rerun our file again just to tell you again. First let's load our model, so you could do select here, and then let's run the calc voltage base, and then control mode static, set mode snapshot, and solve. Let's do that. Well, when we do this, we get some information in those properties. The first property is year and the second one is hour, and actually it's 0 for us here because we are using the snapshot mode. We're gonna see different numbers here when we use time series mode, for instance daily and yearly. Here we have the max and min per unit voltage that we have in our circuit, and here what we have is the line to neutral voltage. Here it's really important, then it gives me the chance to talk about the calc voltage. So let me do one thing here. Let me comment it. I can comment to use the explanation, or slash if you slash doesn't matter. So I'm gonna run everything, Control A, right click, do select, or Control D, and now look, you have min and max equal to something that doesn't really make sense. Well, what's happening here? One thing I need to mention, it's really important to know. When OpenDSS perform its algorithms like power flow, fault studies, type of methods inside, OpenDSS doesn't use per unit. In fact, OpenDSS will use amps, volts, and ohms, right? So why should we then use voltage bases if it's not gonna help OpenDSS do the simulation? It will in fact help us to see voltage results in per unit, and that's really helpful for us, because if we go to a system and you tell me the voltage is 122 volts, it doesn't tell me a lot of things because I don't really know what is that. If you tell me, well, the voltage base, that is 127, even in that case, 122 doesn't tell me a lot. I need to do some math to get some information, which is the per unit value, because the per unit value tells me, for instance, if the voltage is below or above the range, the allowed range, so it's easier for us to see. Okay, so that's why we then set voltage bases and calc the voltage bases. So when you see voltage results, then OpenDSS will provide those in per unit as well, so as we have here. Okay, but again, those two guys will not change the way OpenDSS does the methods. Okay, very important. Then we have a total active power. We're gonna see that in future video about powers, and the reactive power is the total that the total active and reactive power absorbed by the feeder, by the circuit. We also have losses information here, and for active and reactive power, the frequency of our system, the mode, snap, very similar here, snap, and then the control mode, same thing here and here, And then load model power flow. To be honest, I don't really know what's that here, but I can double check. So that's, guys, I think what I would like to show you to finish the idea of summary. Before we leave here, again, if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, your thoughts. Also, if you like it, the content of this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get the notification of new videos. And that's all for this video, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.